To fix Venmo not letting you transfer money to your bank, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or unreliable connection can prevent the transfer from processing. Next, verify that your Venmo account is active and in good standing. Check for any notifications or alerts from Venmo regarding account limitations or restrictions. If your account is restricted, you will need to resolve the issue before you can transfer money. Check your bank account information to ensure it is accurate and up to date. Verify that the routing and account numbers are correct, and that the account is eligible to receive transfers from Venmo. You can do this by going to the Venmo app, selecting the menu, and then tapping on Settings, followed by Payment Methods. If you have recently added a new bank account, it may take a few days for the account to be verified. You can try transferring a small amount to your bank account to test the connection. If the transfer is successful, you can then proceed with the larger transfer. Another step is to check the Venmo transfer limits. If you are trying to transfer an amount that exceeds the daily or weekly limit, you will need to wait until the limit is reset or try transferring a smaller amount. You can find the transfer limits in the Venmo app by going to the menu, then Settings, and then looking for the Transfer Limits section. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try restarting the Venmo app or uninstalling and reinstalling it. This can sometimes resolve technical issues that may be preventing the transfer from processing. You can also try contacting Venmo support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more detailed guidance on how to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and successfully transfer money from Venmo to your bank account. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and be mindful of the transfer limits to avoid any issues in the future.